Hi friend, today I showed you the how to check the water pump in the any engine. First we have removed the vent hose from the radiator side. After that we have run the engine and check the pressure of the water. So this is the process for the checking of the water pump pressure. So this is the confirm water pump is working or not. So this is the process for the checking of the water pump. Till date, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification when we have uploaded any new video on this channel. The notification of the same will be received by you. This will be checking on the site for your reference.